The lights are holding steady now. Panel secure.
Yeah, good to go. Framework looks solid too.
Check the laser alignment on zone 6. Looks good from here. Supports are straight. Heads up on the west side. We're lifting the next beam into zone 6. All right, bring it up slowly.
Holding steady at the mount point.
Looks good from here. Lock it in.
Try stacking the larger books on the left side for balance.
Okay, that looks much better now.